I was wondering if after all. But I was in the store and मुझे खुशबू आई. Hi guys, we're going to buy chaddars and pardas.
Sabes que no creo que te haya gustado. No me importa si lo haces o no. Sabes que you do, you just forgot it all. Sabes que yo haciéndome a preguntar mis pensamientos. Sabes que yo
This is the most fun thing I've done in months.
no quiero. Sabes que estar contigo. Sabes que no creo que te haya gustado. No me importa si lo haces o no. Sabes que you do, you just forgot it all. Sabes que yo haciéndome a preguntar mis pensamientos. Sabes que yo
I bought so much skincare in advance because मुझे लग रहा था that I'll run out of it. I'm pretty sure मेरे पास 5 महीने के लिए sunscreen है. And we bought such cute curtains and bed sheets and a comforter. It's all so pretty. But yeah, I'm so tired. And I've made like a pura list of everything that I need to take. And I started ticking off the stuff that I had to buy. And then end May, I'll just tick off everything when I put it in my bag. Also, I finally decided a name for her. Her name is going to be Suki. Because Suki from Gilmore Girls, she has Suki from Gilmore Girls vibes. Like if she was a person, she would bake for everybody. And she would work in a cute little inn with her best friend. Like that is the kind of person I imagine her as, you know. Sad part is that I can't take her, but I think I might take this toy because it's a lot smaller. Every time I go to UU, I end up buying so much random stuff. Their salespeople, those are the best salespeople I've ever seen. They're like, ma'am ye, ma'am wo, and they say it so convincingly. I'm like, yeah, I totally need that. You are right. That is day one of like proper shopping. By the way, this top is so cute. I got this from H&M. I know I said मैं कल सब कुछ unbox करूँगी, but I need to open this one perfume I got. Did I need a perfume? No. Have I bought like 3 perfumes in the past 3 months? Yes. And are neither of them empty? Also yes. But I was in the store and मुझे खुशबू आई and she was like, buy one get one free. And I was like, I need this right now. This is Pleaser London Notes from UU. This is so random. This was 699 rupees. And like 2 for 699 rupees. That's why I got it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten a 700 rupee ka perfume that I know will probably not last very long. Packaging smells so good. I wish I could describe this to you guys right now. Okay, cute packaging. And it's very like light. Oh, it smells heavenly. I love it. For sure smells like a dupe of some like luxury perfume because I feel like I smelled this before because that is Leisure by London Notes New You perfume. Okay, good night. Pretty sure I'm taking way too much stuff, like I've realized. I'm taking like 4 pillows. 2 pillows and 2 cushions. Might be overdoing it just a little bit, but if anybody's going to overdo it, it's me. Yesterday I bought such good stuff from Uniqlo. Like they have nice formals also and casual clothes also. And they have like that Artisan thing for like really hot places like Delhi and Jammu. Also I love that Jammu basically has Delhi weather but worse. Like the Garmi is really hot and the winter is really cold, which is basically Delhi, but the temperature is going to be lower and higher than Delhi. So, at least I'm used to the extreme weather conditions already. I can't even imagine what must be happening to all the like Mumbai type of people. And that is why I've smartly bought a lot of summer clothes only. I'm actually like finally getting excited for college. So up till I wasn't feeling anything, but now I feel it. Because I've started talking to people who are going to the same college as me. So now it feels real. Hello G, welcome back. It's raining. It is such a beautiful day. It's also 1 p.m. because I woke up at 11 a.m. You guys think I have my life all together and I'm super productive all the time and I have everything together? I don't. I wake up at 11 a.m. and sleep at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. No, 3 a.m. these days. Today is the 7th of August and I have done so much shopping that I have to show you guys, because if you haven't gone to college yet, I've genuinely found really good items, especially Amazon page. मैं आज सारी दिखाने वाली हूँ. This is actually like a lot of essential stuff, like इतनी सारी storage boxes I found, and you know those like packing cubes that you put in your suitcase. I got 2 suitcases. One is like lilac, the bada wala is lilac and the chota wala is pink. They are both so adorable. But yeah, this is the official college shopping haul. Okay, essential तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, but I got a little speaker and it's a karaoke speaker.
Power on.
It lights on. कहाँ से on होता है? Hello. It's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I'm not much healed. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. This was #1 college essential. Iske bina to obviously you cannot go to college. And I bought the most beautiful bed sheets I have ever seen. This also we got from there, but this is for home. Wait, let me try to go find it. I don't know kahan rakhi hai. Okay, I've got all of the dabbas. Wait, can you see them? Huge dabbas that we got from Amazon. Firstly, we have a towel. This is a microfiber towel that I got for my hair, and it's pink, obviously. And more towels I gotten some chota towels, like you know, hand towels. My mother will kill me because ये सब मैं उनका organization mess up कर रही हूँ. This bed sheet, it's like this beige color with pink flowers. It's very vintage, you know.
Vintage. So adorable.
You know. And then I got a pure like pink cotton wala bed sheet. This is the pillow cover that comes with it. And I got a white one. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले लिया, I'm pretty sure. And this really nice blue one. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite. It's this like very pretty eggshell white. And उसके ऊपर this like navy blue color के patterns हैं. The amount of stuff I've bought, it's like मैं घर बसाने जा रही हूँ वहाँ पे. Okay, now I'm gonna show you like all the little storage thingies I got. All of these बड़े वाले boxes also. These ones, they're all from Amazon. सारा Amazon वाला सामान I will link in the description. Also, like all of my favorite products that you guys have ever asked me are always linked in the description. I've started putting that in my description. Okay, this is so pretty. It's this little storage like cube thing, like packing cube basically, and it's pink with cherries on it. Like I feel like a lot of Amazon stuff is so bakwas, but sometimes it's good and then it's so good. It's like this one bada wala pouch, and uske under we have like a bunch of pouches. So there's this like big Ziploc pouch, and then chota wala, like bahut sari hai isme. I will put up a picture of this here. This is also not super expensive, which is why this is like something that I would really recommend for you to get. This is like you can put it in your suitcase also when you're taking stuff there, so it's all organized, and then you can like directly put it in your closet wahan pe. So I got 2 of these. These are the bada wala grey dabbas that I've got. Then I got these hangers, like basic metal wale hangers. And I think like one of the best things that I got, and ye Amazon quality lagta bhi nahi because it's so good, these are these huge wash bags. They're basically like, these are like waterproof bags, so you can take them to the washroom, and they're huge, like humongous. This is like a bada wala, and there are chota walas also with this, and I've put literally like all of my skincare inside this, and you can like carry it like this. See, we have like little ones also, like isme I've kept a few makeup items, gigantic bag of dawais. Also something completely random that I got was this keyboard. Ouch! I got this keyboard. It is pink, and also बहुत सारा skincare. I just stocked up on sunscreen and everything because I'm thinking that मुझे बहुत sunscreen चाहिए होगी because it's Jammu. There's not only a lot of गर्मी in Jammu, there's also a lot of like direct sunlight. So sunscreen is very important there. Should I show you guys my suitcase? It's huge. मैं उठाऊँ कैसे? It's huge. It's huge. I could fit into this. And maybe that's how I should go to Jammu. And there's another chota wala suitcase inside this. Wait, this is the chotu suitcase. It's got little roses on it. It's so pretty. This is like, you know, like a cabbage baggin. Does it say cabbage baggin? Oh my god! Wow! I said cabin baggage. Not cabbage baggage. I think I'll lose all my brain cells before I go to college. So yes, that is my suitcase haul. Do you guys want to see my skincare? Do you guys want to see my skincare? Wipes, wet wipes obviously. Toner. And I got a bunch of sunscreens. They're all Sunscoop. The hydrating fluid sunscreen, invisible body sunscreen. This is the invisible primer sunscreen, which basically works like a primer. Ultra matte dry touch because I have oily skin. 2 hairbrushes, and then they gave me a little free deodorant roll-on thing. I love the Nivea like deodorant roll-on deodorant. What am I saying? I love the Nivea roll-on deodorant, the pink wala, the Pearl Beauty one. Salicylic acid face wash again because I have extremely oily skin. Oh, they also gave me free wax strips, which I will never be using because wax strips are the stupidest thing to exist and they never work. Little travel wipes for like nail paint. And this is a stand for a beauty blender that I got. This is the makeup wala pouch. मैंने सब कुछ बिखार दिया है जो मैंने इतने अच्छे से organize करके रखा था, and I have to do it all over again. And I got this huge Revlon का makeup eyeshadow palette. बहुत सारे shades हैं, and I feel like this alone will be very useful. Although I'm pretty sure मैं अपना सारा makeup लेके चली जाऊँगी because I'm a maximalist in all ways. This is the little beauty blender and the little beauty blender seat. So I hope you got some inspiration for your college shopping. I hope you got some good pieces that you could buy from Amazon and all, जो मैं link कर दूँगी description में. I love you so much. Follow me on Instagram at Avashi Bish, at Avashi Coffee Shop, and I will see you very soon. Bye.